Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the family, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you to the core. So today's video, as you could tell from the title, we're going to be doing sunset eyeshadow look. And this was inspired by Mary Jane. Yes. Anyway, this was inspired by her. I decided to join her WhatsApp classes, and she taught this look, so I thought I should, kind of show you guys my take on it, So yeah, that's what we're doing. If you're not yet subscribed, please do click that subscription button. Should be this side, and let's get into this video. Okay, so I know my brows are done and I greeted you guys with no brows, but if you have not checked out that video yet, please do. I think it is up here. Do click that tab so you can see my eyebrow tutorial. It's very, simple. It's very easy for beginners. And yeah, so before I even get started, the story with this gown, right? I don't know if you guys know, I literally am sisters with Pointless Ray, and I was watching one of her videos and she was wearing a pink satin gown, and I was like, oh my gosh, that gown is giving me vibes. It's giving me, drama. And I'm like, I'm gonna wear it. She's like, ma'am, go for it. So you guys, ta-da! I'm wearing my own satin gown. I love it. I really love it. But let me be serious and let's get into this tutorial. So first things first, sorry, I'm losing my things. I'm gonna start off with this Essence Camouflage Concealer in the shade Light Honey, right? So you can use an eyeshadow base, you can use concealer, but if you do use concealer, please, whatever brand that you're using, make sure you're buying the lightest lightest shade of that concealer range, only because it's better to work with a white base so that your colors can pop. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get into it. I'm only gonna do the one eye just so that we're not here until like next year. So yeah, you're gonna take it and you're gonna apply it, just over your lid. And you're gonna take your beauty blender, make sure it's damp. And by damp I mean put it in water, make sure it bulges up. If it does not bulge up, get a new blender, ma'am, please. Okay, and then before you use it, just squeeze out all the water so that once you're done, like, there should be no water coming out. That's how you know you have the right blender. Oh, English. So you're just gonna dab. You can literally use a brush also. You don't have to use a beauty blender. You can use a brush. I don't really recommend a sponge because, well, no, those things soak up product, but I mean, if that's the only thing you have, go for it. And by sponge, I mean those triangle sponges. Alrighty. So, I'm done blending that out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Wow. There's no creases before you start, right? Should you, keep blinking and opening your eyes and doing all these funny things and you notice that there's a crease, just always go back in, with your beauty blender. Make sure it's, all even. And yeah, so the eyeshadow palette I'm using is this one, Naked 3 Perky Personality. I got this for a birthday present. I am not sure where my friend got it for me, so I can't tell you guys, but you can use literally any eyeshadow palette that you have as your access or disposal. As English is running away from me. Okay, it really is running away from me. So we're doing a sunset look, right? And we're gonna be using yellow, orange, and not red, but like not pink, just in between. I don't want to say maroon. Yeah, somewhere there. Okay, but yeah, let's get into it. I'm sorry for being this close to you guys. I just want you guys to see my eyes. I probably should have I'm dropping things. I probably should have out-zoomed you guys as I was talking to you, but we're here now. We're here. Skirt! I'm here, bitch.
said, skirt. I'm here, bitch. I'm here, bitch. I said, I'm here, bitch.
So I'm gonna first start off with the pinkish maroon shade, right? And that shade is called Babe over here. Here's Babe. Phew. Let's go. So I'm literally taking it like it's a flat, fluffy brush, right? It's long. It's not too fluffy. It's not too flat. That's why I said flat. Ugh. That's why I said flat, bruh.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
That is why I said flat, fluffy brush. Yo, wow, guys. Alright, okay, let's go. So you're literally gonna just dab, 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 you know? First things first, just dab, dab, dab. Just to get all the product there, just in this area. Right? Then you can go back in and dab, dab, dab all the way to almost by your inner eye. I haven't started blending yet. I am literally just applying the product and I'm pressing it in, not swiping or anything. Okay, then after applying, just literally try blend it out bit by bit, you know. Do you see that? Okay, so I kind of got rid of the product there. I'm just gonna go back in and just dab, dab, dab more product, just so there's no blot of product miss. Right? Then you're gonna take another brush and go in with orange. I'm gonna take another almost flat, fluffy brush, just a smaller one. It's not as long as the previous one, and I'm gonna go in with Bon Bon from the Pretty Personality collection. Here is Bon Bon. And I'm literally just going to apply the product towards the tip because the area I'm working with, which is just above Babe, which is this color, the maroonish pink, the pinkish red. Yeah, I'm applying just above there. So I'm going to go in with just the tip like this. And we're going to just dab, dab, dab. And just try to bring it all the way just slightly above Babe. Okay, so to have like a bit more space to work with, I'm just gonna raise my brow a bit and just get in there. So I actually like how this orange is coming together. I don't know other days why it doesn't show up, but we're here now. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the Babe brush. I'm not gonna add more product. I'm just gonna blend the two together. Like that. Hope you guys see it because me, I mean wow, okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in to the yellow just now. So I'm gonna use a very flat brush. This is a brush that some people use to conceal with because it's very flat, right? But I'm gonna use this once again. I'm just gonna use the tip just to go above the orange Bon Bon, right? I'm gonna use Lick over here. So like I said, we're just gonna do the tip and yeah, let's go. So I only applied a little bit because I mean, like I said, there's not much area to work with since my brow is right there. So I'm only applying just a little bit pulling my brow up to get more space. And yeah, this brush doesn't really blend, you know. It's not, I wouldn't recommend you to blend with it, but just tap and try blend it a little bit, hence why we're taking only small product. You see the yellow is very subtle, very subtle, almost like someone just took color and just, like, you know, drew a line. But you have to make sure that it's blended in with the orange so that there's no harsh lines. Then we're gonna take a blending brush, you know, a very fluffy brush, and we're just gonna blend the orange and the yellow together, but slightly, because we're not trying to lose any of the colors, just to get rid of the harsh lines. You see it right, you see it right. So yeah, I have a video on how I did my cut crease using Vaseline for the first time, so do go check it out. And yeah, I'm actually gonna skip this part so you guys can watch the video. So thank you. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm done. I'm done. Yeah, do go check that video out of how I did this using Vaseline for the first time. Yes, I did a cut crease using Vaseline for the first time, and I must say I didn't do too bad. I think I prefer this method actually more than just winging it. But anyway, we move. I'm gonna go in with my Catrice Dramatic eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I'm literally gonna I'm not gonna do like a wing or anything. I'm just gonna line the lower eyelid. Alright, so I just had to dry this eyeliner a bit because I saw it was kind of transferring. But yeah, let me put my lashes on, complete my face, and we'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be back. Whoa. Okay guys, so I'm done. Go check out wow. Go check out my Instagram post to see all the products that I've used in this whole look. Majority of them was an Essence look because the challenge I was doing on Instagram was for Essence. And yours, I'm done. So I hope you guys like this eyeshadow tutorial. I'm wearing Pointless Beauty lashes in this style, almost a shade in the style Yours Truly. Go place your orders. That's on what? That's on period. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below how you think I did. And please subscribe to my channel, you guys. I'd love to sing really well. Please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Click that subscription button and do click that notification bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's it from me, you guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.